So first of all, you should know the angles of sine, cos, and tan. Only three things you remember: sine, cos, and tan. So sine 0 is 1 by that, you know, sine 0 is 0, then 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1. All of you know that. And cos theta is
Yes, sir.
just ulta, you do 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0. And third one is tan. Tan is 0. Here is 1 by root 3, then 1, root 3, and infinity. These things only remember: sine, cos, and tan. And moreover, just remember here sine theta is equal to opposite. You are reading opposite as a perpendicular. In which form you are reading? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse, or
Yes.
perpendicular by base. You can remember in this way, or other way. If you, those who are reading opposite adjacent, you just read it. See here, opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse, and opposite by adjacent. So those who are very good in this, just this actually is there in CBSE board. Children are reading opposite adjacent only.
Sir, that P and H is there in that our CBSE board.
But if you see the NCRT, you will not get perpendicular, Samarth. You will get opposite. If you see the
Just a
NCRT.
minute, I am checking.
Because in NCRT they have mentioned opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse only. Okay. So this much, if you remember, this is for sine, this is for sine, this is for cos, and this is for tan. Okay. Similarly, this also you can remember. This is for which one is comfortable for you, that you can remember: sine, cos, and tan. Samarth, you have seen that?
Yes, sir, that it is written as a side adjacent one by one.
Yeah.
OH.
All of you on the camera now, children. All of you on the camera. Other.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, due to some poor internet connections, I'm not able to on my camera.
Acha, okay, fine. Okay, now see, if you want the relation between opposite and hypotenuse, or perpendicular and hypotenuse, you have to use sine theta. If you want relation between base and hypotenuse, you have to use cos theta. If you want relation between perpendicular and base, you should use tan theta. So these three things you remember: opposite by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse, opposite by adjacent. These three things you remember. Okay. Sine, cos, tan, sine, cos, tan. Which one is comfortable to you? You can just remember this. All right. Now we start the question from here. A height of a tree. See the question number 1, all of you. The height of the tree is root 3 times the length of the shadow. One more thing, actually, I just want to tell you about angle of elevation and angle of depression. If you are seeing here angle of elevation, means you are just looking towards upside. Means from ground floor to up. Means you are seeing from this side, okay? From down to up. If you are seeing from top to bottom, that is angle of depression. And remember, children, here don't do mistake. This angle is not the angle of depression. Angle of depression is always from the horizontal line. Remember, always from the horizontal line. It means that down and both upper one. So this is theta and this is upper is also theta. Okay. So remember this part. Only we are mentioning here depression, but actually angle is the same only. If this is just mentioning just for show purpose, we're just mentioning this is theta. Actually, this is also same only because these are the parallel lines. Top one and this one is what? Parallel lines. So topper one angle of depression we have to just only for show purpose we are writing here. Okay, but we are taking the same angle there also. Is it clear what is the difference in angle of elevation and angle of depression? Is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Now you see, height of a tree is √3 times the length of the shadow. Means if length of the shadow is any number, so height of the tree is √3 times. So I have to consider here root only x as a shadow. And one more thing you remember, shadow is always on the ground. Okay, this is shadow. Yellow part what I mentioned here, this is shadow, and this is your tree. The height of a tree is what? This perpendicular part, what is, you can see this √3x. This is your height of the tree, and shadow is how much? Shadow is x meter. The height of the tree is √3 times more than that. So you have to find the angle of elevation of the sun. So see, here we are having the relation. That is, if you see from here down, so which one is perpendicular? This front part is perpendicular, and this one is what? Base. The relation between perpendicular and base is which one? Relation between perpendicular and base is tan theta. So tan theta we can write it as AB by BC, or we can write √3x by x. So x will get cancelled. So answer is 60 degree. Answer is 60 degree. Anyone having doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm moving further now. Question number 2. Others is clear, right? Rasul, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Question number 2, all of you see now. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground and at a distance of 160 meters from its foot is found to be 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground and at a distance of 160 meters from its foot is found to be 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. The 60 degree is given, elevation is given 60 degree.
Sir, that's 68 degrees, right?
No, 60 degree, 60 degree.
What? Oh, sorry, you are doing question 2, right? Okay. I was saying that question 3.
No. The angle of elevation of a tower from the point on the ground and a distance of is 160 meters from its foot. So from its foot means tower foot. Tower foot is nothing but this is the B point is the tower foot. From this point distance is how much? 160 meters. So to find the height of the tower. Again, we are getting the relation between P and B only. Again, we are getting the relation between P and B. So tan theta is equals to AB by BC. The same thing, you apply the formula and get the answer. That is 160 divided by √3. 160 √3 only. It's not divided. 160 √3. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Praharshan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now all of you find question number 3rd. I'll tell you the 68 degree value. Okay. If you are getting tan 68 or 68 degree value, I'll tell you. Just find the value of find the question number 3rd. Just draw the question. Draw the diagram for this. Question number 3rd. Draw the diagram. Can you get which angle you are getting? You are getting tan, sine, or cos. Which angle you are getting for 68? I think you may get tan only, right? 2.475 you can take. 2.475 you can take tan. 68 is equals to 2.475. You can consider
Sir,
if you
it's
may
near to 1 meters.
near to 1 meter. Height of the ladder you are saying? Which laser?
Yeah.
Find the height up to
Oh,
which ladder
height of the
reaches.
ladder. Okay.
Not height of the ladder. Find the height of the height up to which ladder reaches. Means you should write wall height.
Yeah,
Where?
so that's 1 meter.
Okay, fine. 1 meter. Anybody else?
So tan 68 is it 2.4 or
2.475. 2.475 is tan 68 degree value. 2.475.
sir I got 5.9.
Okay, 5.9 you are getting. All of you just write. Others got Samarth got 1. You are getting 5.9, right? 2.475. This is the value of tan 68. 2.475.
Sir, I took as approx, sir. I didn't take it as 2.475. I just took it as 2.4 so that it would get cancelled.
Okay, fine. Now see the answer is coming 5.94. Samarth, check.
Yeah, just a minute.
All of you have done the same way. Just check once. Anywhere where you're doing mistakes and all. Where is ladder? Where is
So it's taking the angle of elevation as 68 degrees.
Yes, then what is 68?
Okay. I actually took the angle of depression as 68 degrees.
If you take angle of depression also, no, Samarth, it comes same only. See, it's only for showing. I told no, only for showing purpose. Only for showing purpose. So and this is only for showing. But if depression will not. If depression they ask, for elevation they ask, angle will come same, but you have to show here depression. That's it.
All right.
So tan 68 is equal to h by 2.4. You got Shreyas.
Yes, sir.
Samarth, you are getting. Samarth, you got 10. Now you got the answer. How you got 1? But I don't know. How you got 1?
Actually, sir, see that when I took it as that angle CAB actually I took. So that's why 2.4 equals to 2.4 by H. So H got cancelled that. That's why I got 1.
2.4 by 2.4 you got, right?
Yeah.
Now question number 4. Here tan 38 degree, I'll just give you tan 38. 0.87813. 0.7813. 0.7813. 0.7813. This is tan 38 value, children, you can use. Okay. Don't in exam, this diagram is also not given to you. Okay, you have to draw the diagram by your own. Okay. Try to do by yourself only. Mm-hmm. 1 meter, Samarth, this is before answer, right?
Sir, 1038, how much did you say? Sir?
1 minute, Samarth, 1 minute, Samarth, 1 minute.
Yeah. Sir, I sent you the approx answer of this question.
Samarth, what you are saying, tell me.
Sir, I sent you the approx answer. Please to check it.
Achha, okay. You see here only approximately 64 you're getting.
Sir,
Why is 64? Actually 150.6 should be their answer.
Yeah.
You got
Yes.
same like that only. Just check. Because only we should take left and right, that's it. Left side, right hand side, both triangle you should consider. So from first triangle you'll get y value, from second triangle you'll get x value, both you add, that's it. Because you got same thing, Samarth, Praharshan, you got same.
I took the wrong values. I took 2 instead of the 7. I thought that was a 2.
Okay. So these are the questions. X, Rasool, you got the same answer, x and y.
Yes, sir.
And after getting the value of x and y, we have to add the values to find the distance between the both things. Now see question number 5th one. All of you see question number 5th. Find the answer here. Find the height of the kite. Height of the kite is always straight. Remember, this is not height. Find the length of the string you should find, not length of the kite.
Sir, the length of the string is 120 meters.
This one you're getting 120 meters.
Yeah, the hypotenuse.
Okay, 30 is given, so 60 and
Yes, sir, 120.
We should get the relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse, right? So P by H is nothing but tan 30. So tan 30 is equals to 60 by your what is root over, that will get right. So 60 by root 3 we are getting, right? 60 by root 3. You are multiplying up and down root 3 only, correct? So 1 by root 3 should come. No, 1 by root 3. Wait. This is wrong what I have done here.
1 by root 3, how, sir? You must take sine 30.
Correct.
Yeah.
Sine 30. The sine 30 is 1 by 2. Yeah, answer is coming 1 by 120. Yeah, all of you got 1 and 120 answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fine. Next question is question number 6. A boy is, here diagram is very important in this case. Boy is 1.6 meter tall. 20 meter away from a tower and observe. Practical है. A boy 1.6 meter tall is 20 meter away from a tower and observes the angle of elevation of top of the tower to be 45 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of the tower in each case. Find the height of the tower in each case. So when it is 45 degree, that time we should find the height of the tower. And when it becomes 60 degree, that time, both cases will be different. So first you try this one. If you're not getting, just then you ask me. First you try in both the cases. First of all, see the diagram whether we are getting the same.
Here I got that 21.6 and 20 root 3 meters.
20 root 3 and
21.6.
okay. 21.6
Yeah.
and 20 root 3
Plus
after-
1.6.
Sir, after that, total height of the tower, I got it as 36.24.
Yeah, the 20 root 3 should add here. 20 root 3 and
20 root
plus
3 plus 1.6 we must add.
yes, yeah, correct.
Hmm.
So all of you try to understand the question first here. If you are making any boy over here 1.6 meter, try to remember this is the 1.6 meter boy you should make. Then you have to see whatever you want. Then from that eye, means from that eye you have to consider it as 45 and 60 degree both. Try to understand the diagram first. Who is not able to understand, first see the diagram. 1 minute, what happened? See, from his this is a boy 1.6 meter tall here. This is a boy. So from eye he can see upwards only like this. So they have given here the distance between the tower and this boy is how much? 20 meters. Okay. The tower, the distance between the tower and the boy is how much? 20 meters. And height of the boy is 1.6. Then you can take this both triangles here. You can take 45 degree ones, and once you take 60 degree. So everything can get easily that AB is equal to 20 and AP is equal to 20 root 3 in both the cases. When you are taking 45 degree, you are getting 20 answer. And when you are putting 60 degree, then you are getting answer as 20 root 3. All right. Prasan, this much you understood? 20 root 3 and 20.
Yes, sir, I got the answer.
Okay. And then we have to, in the last, we have to, this boy height we have not considered because boy is standing on the ground only, no? And tower is from the ground we should measure. The AB we got 20, the 20 plus 1.6. Again 20 root 3 plus 1.6. That's it. Now next part is question number 7. See question number 7, all of you. This question I will try it first. First you write in the chat box this answer. A tree is broken. Upper part of the tree is broken. Then what to do? How to draw the diagram? That you see. Got the answer, Praharshan. What is your answer? I got only one answer I got till now from Praharshan only. 15 root 2 by 2 you are getting, Praharshan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone else who got the answer? See, diagram is very important. Total height of the tree you should find, right? What was the height of the tree before broken? Praharshan. So you have to find the height of the tree which is broken and which is already there in the tree.
Already there, then we have to just add the 15.
Sir, I am getting 15 plus root 2 plus 15 whole into root 2 plus 1.
Okay, 15 into root 2 plus 1, right?
Whole into root 2 plus 1, yeah.
Sir, I simplified that and got the answer as 36.213.
36.213. So 15 plus 15 root 2 is nothing but around.
Sir, root 2 I made it as 1.414.
Okay. So 15 into 1.414. So 15, 1.5, 22.5 plus 15. 37, you are getting 37, 38 around. Huh? Shreyas?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now all of you see children here. So answer will be here 36.21. Praharshan, it's clear what is there. 5 by how we are getting 5 root 2 by what we are getting? 15 root 2 by 2 or what? I don't know.
I got 15 root 2 by 2.
Okay, 15 root 2 by 2. So see here, if a tree is broken here, no, this total part, if you see the question here, no, what is happening? See, before tree was this yellow part, what I'm writing here, no, this is before tree was this much big. Now it cut from top and slant like this. So you have to add this part also, understood? Both part you have to add in the last. Next question is question number 8. Question number 10th, you just think. Question number 10th. So you are not having a table of 32 degree, 24 minutes and all, right? You are not having a single question in
No, sir,
CBSE board.
not in 10th class.
No, 10th, if they give also, they should give the table of this 10 and all, because
Yeah, if they give, they will give the value also with that.
value. But in 10th CBSE, I've never seen that they will give the values and all. This awkward, this one. Only they'll ask 30, 60, and 45. Only three, only they will ask in this. Anyway, just find this whether, but value should know, right? Without value, can't do. So write the value of this, that is cos 32 degree 24 minute is nothing but 0.8443, and sine 32 degree 24 minute is nothing but 0.5358. Okay, 0.5358. .5358. Others Rasool Chanchal. On your cameras, others Rasool Chanchal. What happening? Suddenly, Rasool, you are solving.
Yes.
Hmm.
Sir, are you solving the 10th one or 11th one?
10th one only. I've given to everyone.
Okay.
10th one is easy only if you know the you know how to make the diagram figure, then you can find it easily, correct?
Yes, sir. By the figure, it's simple.
Hmm. So all of you got this answer, right? Only a concept understood, no?
Your concept understood,
Yes,
but the calculation is taking so much time.
Leave that. This much you have done, all of you. BC is equal to 30 into 0.8443, and last part CD is equal to 30 into 0.5358. Next question number 11th, you see all of you. Two climbers are at point A and B on the vertical cliff face. To an observer C 40 meters from the foot of the cliff on the level ground. A is at the elevation of 48 degree and B is 57 degree. So what is the distance between the climbers? What is the distance between the climbers? Okay. Two climbers are at the point A and B. First, you just draw the image like this or not. Just see the image. Can you see this? This type will come. Two climbers are there, A and B. Two observers see from foot of the cliff. Where is the foot of the cliff? Foot of the cliff is D. From D, how much far the observer is at point C, which is 40 meters away from the vertical cliff. Okay. A is at elevation of 48 degree, means A is lesser than this. A is the only this part. A is at 48 degree, and B is how much? This blue elevation, you can see here, blue part. From this is the elevation of wedge. This is the elevation of B. All right.
Sir, I'm getting 17.17 meters. I don't know, but it's pretty less.
So we have to find the distance between both the climbers, right? So AD we got 44.40. We got AD, or directly we are finding AB only. Samad?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Directly you are finding AB, or first you find AD first?
Directly finding AB.
Okay, which method you are using then? Directly finding AB? Directly EBDC formula you are taking?
Yeah,
BDC?
it's same only. I'm just it takes less process than this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you are taking means what you are saying, BDC you are taking directly bigger one, right?
Yes.
So in that triangle, you will take BD, you will get, right? BD and BD you will get directly, correct? Less process you are saying, how less process will take? Suppose BD will get in the bigger triangle. The BD is how much BD? Just you know that. How to find AB only? Samarth, without finding first part, how will find AB only? You tell me now.
Sir, without finding the first part.
Yeah, without finding the first part, how to find this down one?
Okay, sir. So I have done, sir, H plus 40 into 1048. 40 into 1048 equals to 40 into 1057 into H. So I took H and 40 as common from both. So 1057 minus 1048. So
The 1057 minus
the,
1048 we are doing. Okay.
here I used calculator for 1057 and 48. And I got the values.
So in a single line you are using 1048 as well as 1057.
Yeah.
Okay. It happened the same thing almost, right?
Yeah, but it takes too much of less. It reduces it, the process.
Till the process, I'll write here 10. What you're saying, 1057.
1057 minus 1048.
What you will
into
write?
40 into H.
Into 40 into H.
Yeah.
Into 40 is equals to 40.
Okay.
Into 40 or what?
Whole into 40, sir.
I'm saying 40 into H, you are saying like this.
No. 1057 minus 48 whole into 40 into H.
Whole into 40.
Yeah.
Into H.
Yeah.
Which is 40. This one is H, you are saying.
Which one H? Yeah.
H. Which part is H? Top AB part is H.
Yeah.
Okay. So if I'm using this formula, what I get? How will get H is equal to what you should write then? Where is equal to sign? There's no is equal to sign over here.
Yeah. Okay. So equals to, you can write
What?
Sorry, sir. Actually, I did a mistake. I brought the H into, actually it must be divided. So it must be in the other side. So 1057 minus 48 into 40 equals to H.
Which is equal to H.
Into. Yeah.
So into 40, if you do, you'll get 10. 1 minute. Let me find this. Where you have learned this formula? 1058 minus 1048, directly subtraction.
Sir, I think it is in 11th class.
11th class height and distance is there.
Yeah.
I have not seen 11th class any height and distance chapter only.
No, height and distance is not there in 11th class. It is what that trigonometry chapter only, that functions of trigonometry, there it is. Some parts.
1.11. 1.539 minus 1.11. 0.429 into 40. Okay, the same answer is coming like this also. The 47 tan 57 minus tan 48 difference into the difference of the angle you're finding, right? Difference of the angle into base, right? H is nothing but your perpendicular and 40 is base. There is nothing but the same formula only, right? Difference between the H by 40. You can do this one only. Understood, Prahasan? What is here? What is here? So tan theta is equals to perpendicular by base. That only formula we are using here also, right? Nothing different. Only difference of the tan value is given over here. That's it. Is it clear here? Tan 57 minus tan 48 minus tan 48 is equals to H by 40. H is what? Perpendicular and base is 40. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Or better you can do step by step. First part you can do, then second part you can do and get the answer. Okay. Now next
Sir,
question is
have values other than 0, 30, 60, and 90, right?
yeah, that only question will ask. If they give this 48 and 57 and all, one this one separately, one graph or this thing table should be provided to you if it is given. Okay.
Sir, how will you find it even with the tables?
Tan 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, everything is mentioned over there, person. Okay, in the table.
Okay, sir.
So tan 48, you can just get that answer. Next question is C, question number 12. First you see the question. Anyone got? Shall I tell you the values of 13 degree and 28 degree? Shall I tell you the values? Just check. 10, 13 value is 0.231. See the diagram, you are getting it or not? Just check. A man stands on 9-meter pole. A man stands 9 meters away from the flag pole. He observes that angle of elevation of the top of the pole is 28 degree and the angle of depression of the bottom of the pole is 13 degree. Calculate the height of the pole. Calculate the height of the pole.
Sir, how to find these values without a table?
Without a table, you can't find the values.
So 28 and 13.
Huh? What?
Like and 13, we can't find them without a table.
See, tan 28 is given means you just remember that tan 30 bit tan 28 is there. No, the tan 30 value, you know, right? Tan 30 is how much? 1 by root 3. The less bit lesser than 1 by root 3, like something like that. Understood?
Yes.
So, but here it means they won't give without a table. They won't give. You should not remember anything. Okay.
Okay.
So all of you have done. Samarth, Shreyas, you have done, right?
No, sir, doing it.
Okay. All of you done understood the diagram, how I have made the diagram over here. It's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you are not able to understand the diagram, please let me know. Others, you got the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope everyone understood till here. Try to do questions from NCERT, extra questions and all based on the height and distance. Okay. So many questions are there. After 3 seconds, 3 minutes, the boy ran from here to here, boat came from here to here. Then you should find the height of the some cliff and all that also question is there. So we'll do all those questions in the next class. Okay. And try to do the questions from your side. When you're having doubt and all, you just try to post on the Wise app so that I can clarify accordingly. Is it clear, children? Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm not seeing the questions anymore. You are just sending the Wise app. I don't know. You are solving, people are solving or not. If you are solving, you may have doubt, but you are not posting any doubts. It means that you are not solving. Correct? No, Rasul. We're not getting time only. Say we're not getting time only, sir, to solve. Right? Rasul?
Sir has solved, sir.
No doubts you are getting, correct?
No, sir, not.
Okay, fine. Okay, children, all of you can leave for the day. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.